I'm Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. Hashtag self-care has become a lot about using fancy beauty products, taking a bubble bath or styling yourself in a fancy, stylish outfit. मैं आपको बता दूं, this video is about none of that. I want to share with you 20 practical and useful tips to better take care of yourself in order to improve your mental health. In today's video, I will share 10 of them and the remaining 10 look forward to them next week. और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, consider subscribing and hit on that bell icon so that I can notify you about the next video when I post it next week. With that, let's get started. Number 1. Tune in. My first self-care tip for better mental health is for you to take out some moments in your day to pause and check in with yourself. आप simply अपने आप से पूछ सकते हैं, how are you feeling? What are you thinking? What is it that you need in a particular moment? I think just checking with yourself at different points in the day is a very simple way to take care of yourself. Second, spend time in nature. Research shows that spending time in nature is an antidote to stress. जब आप nature में time spend करते हैं, वो आपका immune system function improve करता है. It's also good for your self-esteem. It reduces anxiety and is a great mood booster. I know it's a little hard to do in the pandemic when all we need to do is stay at home. But to make up for it, आप अपनी balcony में time spend कर सकते हैं. Just watching your plants, being around some greenery. You can also go to your terrace, watch the sky, the sunrise or the sunset. These simple hacks can be really good for your mental health. Third, do a brain dump. A recent study showed that an average person gets at least 6,000 thoughts in a day. हम सभी तनाव महसूस करते हैं अपने जीवन में because of overthinking and emotional upheavals that we go through. The simple act of writing down your thoughts and feelings on paper can be a very effective way to sort of release stress and become lightheaded. And this definitely is one of my favorite ways to take care of myself. Number 4. Move your body. Studies show that changing your posture, your body, your rhythm can help reduce stress, depression and anxiety, leading to a feeling of well-being. तो चाहे आपको एक्सरसाइज करना पसंद हो, योगा करना पसंद हो, or simply if you feel like grooving on your favorite song, just moving your bodies in some way that you like and getting active can be a really good way to take care of your mental health. Number 5. Meditate. I mean, that one obviously is a no-brainer. With the amount of stress we deal with, I think it has become essential for all of us to meditate. पर मैं जानती हूँ, चुपचाप शांत एक जगह पर आंखें बंद करके बैठना, it definitely is not easy, especially if you're a beginner. But there are so many apps जो आप use कर सकते हैं as a beginner to get started. मैं personally Insight Timer और Sattva use करती हूँ. These apps offer some really cool free meditations. As a meditation teacher myself with the art of living, I also teach this really powerful breathing technique called the Sudarshan Kriya. ये एक बहुत ही powerful breathing technique है जिसे लाखों लोग पूरी दुनिया में practice करते हैं. अगर आप ये workshop करना चाहेंगे and you would like to learn the Sudarshan Kriya meditation technique, I'll link the details for my upcoming workshop in the description below. Feel free to sign up, and in case you need more details, you can contact me on Instagram. Number 6. Slow down your morning and night routine. We usually have a lot to do and that typically means your mornings are rushed. और by the time आपके सोने का वक्त होता है, you are so exhausted that you just want to get into bed. A simple way of self-care is slowing down your morning and night routine. Take a minute to feel the warmth of the sun on your skin just after you wake up. And before you go to bed, take some time to wash your face, moisturize your skin. These practices are simple, but they can make you feel really good about yourself as you start your day and as you wind down. Number 7. sleep well. आपने नोटिस किया है कुछ दिन जब आप अच्छे से नहीं सो पाते हैं, how does that make you feel? You get irritated and cranky. And what about days when you sleep for like 12-13 hours? You get even more grumpier. 7 से 8 घंटे की नींद आइडियल है आपके लिए so that you feel rested and rejuvenated. I understand that pandemic के चलते sleep routine सबका थोड़ा सा off है, but make sure you get your 7 hours of sleep. 8. Organize your thoughts. Many times when we have a lot to do, journaling can come very handy to organize your thought. आप एक simple सी to-do list बना सकते हैं या फिर आपके मन में जो भी चल रहा है आप उसको सिंपली एक डायरी में लिख सकते हैं. इस तरह से आप मेंटली decluttered फील करेंगे and this would really help you organize your thoughts and feel a little sorted in your head. Number 9. Tidy a space. Whether it's a pile of dishes in the sink or a cluttered work desk, it can very easily cause you stress, make you feel anxious, or even cause you feelings of overwhelm. आप अपने घर में या अपने रूम में कोई भी एक जगह ढूंढ सकते हैं and you can clean it. Tidying a space can make you feel more in control and mentally relaxed. Research also shows organizing your physical space can help you be more productive and improve your overall well-being. Number 10. Disconnect from screens. Because of social distancing, work from home, and just because we have to spend a lot of time at home these days, we end up spending a lot of time on our mobile and laptop screens. Digital devices पे इतना time spend करना ना तो हमारी आँखों के लिए अच्छा है और ना ही हमारी mental health के लिए. जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा time social media पे spend करते हैं तो हम अपनी real life दूसरों की real life से compare करते हैं और वो हमें बहुत miserable और negative feel करवाता है. And obviously, let's not even get started on the negative news we get to see every day. So, it's a good idea to disconnect from your screens sometime in the day. इससे आप अपनी actual life को थोड़ा mindfully experience कर पाएंगे and this would also give you a chance to meaningfully engage with real people around you. So those were 10 of 20 ideas of self-care for better mental health that I wanted to share with you. Stay tuned for the next 10 ideas that I'm going to share in my next video next week on this channel. Do tell me in comments below, how do you take care of yourself and make sure you are in good mental health in comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on the notification so that I can let you know whenever I post more videos on mindful living and science of happiness. Follow me on Instagram where I share inspiring content every single day. That's all in today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.